LINQ is powerful but can be slow if misused. Optimize your queries to keep your applications responsive, especially with large datasets or frequently executed queries. Key tips include materializing queries once with the ToList or ToArray to avoid multiple enumerations that re-execute the entire query. Understand lazy evaluation, where LINQ queries don't execute until enumerated. Chain operations carefully to avoid recomputing expensive queries. Use AsParallel for CPU-bound tasks on large datasets to leverage multiple cores, but be aware for the overhead for small collections. Profile your queries with tools like BenchmarkDotNet to identify actual bottlenecks instead of guessing, and avoid nested queries inside loops, preferring joins over nested where clauses. Performance is about making smart choices based on your specific data patterns and access requirements.